Bean stuffed sweet potatoes. Bean stuffed sweet potatoes, a very delicious vegetarian dinner idea. I love sweet potatoes because just one potato gives you 400% of the vitamin A you need each day. For this recipe, I take big round potatoes because it is easy to stuff them. Bake clean sweet potatoes in the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes, poking each one about 6 times with a fork to help them vent while cooling. For the cream sauce, mix in the medium bowl 200 milliliters yogurt or sour cream, juice of the half of the lemon, freshly ground black pepper. For the stuffing, you'll need finely chopped coriander leaves to put on the top, small pieces of avocado, finely chopped red onion, roasted in the large skillet with olive oil. "300 grams canned black beans roasted in the same skillet for 5 to 6 minutes. Once sweet potato cools, shred the flesh from the skin so that the inside is mashed and easy to scoop out. Add beans, avocado, and coriander. Top with sauce. Enjoy your healthy, homemade, bean-stuffed sweet potatoes, and share your cooking experience in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel now and don't miss new, easy recipes.